how to use a hole saw in a DeWALT Impact Driver. Now, if you look at the end here, it's just got a hex with no cutout, so when we enter it, it won't stay in. What we need is either a drill bit holder. However, I don't find it very steady when you use something like this. You'll be able to put it in the end, however it makes it very long and very unsteady. So what I recommend is that you get a chuck adapter. These are a bit more stable. Put it in just like we did before, enter it into the end, tighten it up, and then there you go. We've converted the DeWALT Impact Driver into a hole saw. So that's how to use a hole saw in a DeWALT Impact Driver. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.